Dough Valentine Hearts. Here are some supplies you will need for this project. Some colored dough, a heart cookie cutter, a paper clip or a sculpting tool, and a roller. Watch Dough Valentine Heart to learn how to mix salt dough with color. You can watch one of my other videos to learn how to create your salt dough mixture. For this one, you're going to roll it out flat using your rolling pin. Then use your cookie cutter to create a heart. Place the heart on parchment paper for baking. You can make a paste with some water and a little bit of dough, and then insert the paper clip into the paste and into the heart. Now you're going to need some colored salt dough. We're going to start with the leaves. Take a couple small balls of green dough, mold them in between your fingers, and then use either a paper clip or a sculpting tool to indent them. I'm going to place 3 leaves on my heart. I like to wash my hands in between colors. Now we're going to create our rose. Take a little ball, flatten it out in your hand, and then curl it up on the edges. Add small balls flattened as petals until you have the desired rose that you would like. Keep rotating the rose and overlapping the petals. Now pinch the end off, put some of your paste on the leaves, and be very careful when you try to press down the rose, making sure you don't press down the petals. We're going to create a couple little buds. That only have a couple petals. Follow the same process. You can use the end of your paintbrush to secure them to the leaves. Add various buds until you achieve the balance you're seeking. Lastly, we're going to do the banner, where we will write with micron pen the words "Be Mine." Roll the dough out, flatten it, and then curl it up at the edges. Place some of your salt dough paste and then fix the banner. Here's some other Valentine lessons that you can follow as well.